In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check my website is blocked by Pinterest desktop. Start by opening Pinterest on your desktop and make sure you're signed into the account you use for your business presence. Once you're in, look to the top right corner and click the drop-down arrow next to your profile icon. From that menu, choose Settings. We're going into Settings because this is where Pinterest lets you manage and verify your website, and that verification is what reveals whether your site can be connected or if it's being blocked. Inside Settings, find the section called Link to Pinterest or the area labeled Websites. Open that section, then select the option to claim. Claiming your website is Pinterest's way of confirming you own the domain. If your site is blocked or restricted, this process won't complete, and you'll see messaging to indicate there's an issue. Pinterest offers 3 verification methods, so you can choose the one that fits how you manage your site. You can add an HTML tag to your site's code, upload an HTML file to your site's root directory, or add a DNS-TXT record through your domain host. If you control your site's code or use a CMS with a header field, the HTML tag is usually the fastest. If you have access to your site's file manager or SFTP, the HTML file upload is straightforward. If you manage DNS where your domain is registered, the TXT record is reliable, but it may take longer to propagate. When you pick a method, use the Click to Copy button to grab the exact code or record Pinterest provides. Paste it exactly as shown where it belongs on your site or domain host. After you've placed the tag, file, or DNS record, return to Pinterest and click Continue. You'll then be prompted to enter your website URL. Type your full domain carefully, including the correct subdomain if you use one, and proceed. Finally, click Verify. Pinterest will check for the proof you added. If everything is set correctly and the site isn't blocked, you'll get confirmation that your website is claimed. If the site is blocked or disallowed, you'll see an error or a notice indicating it can't be claimed. If you used a DNS-TXT record, remember that verification can take some time while changes propagate, so waiting and trying again later can help. Also, double-check for typos. Make sure only one verification method is active at a time, and confirm that any caching on your site has been cleared so Pinterest can see the changes. That's it. By walking through the claim flow in Settings, you'll quickly see whether Pinterest allows your site or flags it as blocked.